for their, for their participation in their presentations. I think they were, hopefully everybody got some good information today on, on basically the direction of the industry and where integrated stacks are going. Some of the key takeaways, especially around business drivers and increasing things like agility and flexibility and scalability within the organizations. And understanding that some of the CIO care votes really are around how do we increase the innovation that we're doing within our data centers versus just kind of keeping the lights on, right? Integrated architectures. Sean talked a bit about the integrated architectures that are validated on FlexPod solutions. So, what's really interesting is that it's essentially a cookbook of capabilities and configuration options that you can utilize on a FlexPod infrastructure to be able to deploy a validated infrastructure design. So really key as far as ease of deployment and speed and agility. From a HighPoint value proposition perspective, some of the things that HighPoint could bring to the table was, first of all, I'm really happy that we could bring these the vendors and the manufacturers today together to talk about the solution to give us some insight into where they're going from an integrated stack solution, but also what can we provide from a value proposition to our customers is really kind of help along the way of how do you migrate or make the transition to an environment like this. Look at putting in infrastructure as a service, private cloud infrastructure to enable your environment to be more agile and accelerate innovation within the environment. Also, some of the capabilities that we can offer from a HighPoint perspective to our customers are around things like building FlexPods for you, helping you migrate to FlexPods, or even doing things like proof of concept within our lab facility. We have a pretty extensive lab facility that has Cisco's entire data center suite as well as NetApp VAS storage as well, so we can demonstrate how the FlexPods can be put together, managed, and deployed. And then also, really to help our customers from not only a build or a buy or a build of a new infrastructure, but one of the nice things about the FlexPod and something that we really didn't get to talk about was that you might have particular components of the FlexPod already, where you might already have some NetApp storage or you might already have UCS in your environment. We can work with you on being able to move those infrastructures into a FlexPod environment, right, into a FlexPod validated architecture, which is also key. So, how to engage HighPoint? I'm Harriet Jarvis. I'm the director for the data center solutions at HighPoint, so definitely reach out to me or send an email to flexpod@highpoint.com, and we would definitely look forward to working with you on whether that's doing some design consulting, looking at your environment, and understanding what components we have there and how we can migrate into this type of environment. So do that. And then a bit on the logistics. So Zach here is going to take us through what we're going to do from a tour perspective. We have the cocktail hour after the tour back here in the conference room, and then we're also going to do an iPad drawing. So most of everybody, all the customers should have tickets for the iPad drawing. If not, let us know and we'll make sure that you have those. And we're going to do that at about 5:45. Maybe we'll move that up a little bit due to the weather.
693-586.
Okay, great, awesome. All right. Okay, so we have one more ticket, and then the white iPad is left. Okay, guys. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention, those iPads were provided by Cisco for the event. So, just want to mention that. So just one final thing, everyone. I just wanted to, on behalf of High Point Solutions, thank everyone for joining us this afternoon. I hope that you got something out of this afternoon, and thanks for spending with us.
We did, Harry. Thank you. Thank you.